Okay, so today we'll be doing a problem which is based on trigonometric ratios, the SOHCAHTOA, which we had done, sine, cos and tan. I have taken a sum from exercise 1J. I'll read it out for you. It says that a door with width 4.20 meters has an arc as shown in the diagram. Find the radius is the first question, and second one is the length of the arc. Now to go about this sum, what I will do is draw a diagram and show you here. So this is the measurement which is given to me, 4.20 meters. Okay, now this is the radius which I need to find out, and this is the arc formed here. Okay, so two things I need to find out, the radius and this arc. Now what are the two things which are given to me? One is this 4.20 which is given to me, length, and the other one is this angle, 225 degrees. Now how will I go about? First I find out this angle, this whole thing. Okay, then I draw this right angle triangle by dissecting it into two equal halves. So I have this angle, I know it is a right angle triangle, and I have this full length which I can divide it into two equal halves. So once I divide, 4.2 will become 2.10 and 2.10 this side. So in this particular triangle now, the shaded one, I have angle which I have taken it as half. Once I find out this, I have the opposite side, and I need to find the what do you call, the hypotenuse. So I will use here sine. Okay, and once I get that, I need to find the length of the arc. Length of the arc we find out by using the formula alpha times 2 pi r over 360. Okay, so that is the way I'm going to go about. So first this 225 degrees is given to me. What I do is I subtract it with 360 to give me this particular angle, which is 135 degrees. Now as I told you, I have drawn this triangle. So this angle A will be 135 divided by 2. Okay, I can either keep it the same way and use it, or find the value and then substitute here. So now in this triangle, sine A is equal to opposite side over the radius, which I need to find out. Now what I want to find out, let me take it that side to the left. So I take it here, and sine A comes below. So 2.10 divide by a sine A, which is again 135 divided by 2. When you do so, you get this value. Okay, now you got the radius, you know the angle is 135 alpha. So plug in these values in the formula to find out the length of the arc and find out the length of the arc. So alpha times this 135 into 2 into pi into 2.27, the radius which I've got. This divide by 360 gives me a 5.36. Okay, so this is the way. If you're given a figure, try to approach it in such a way that see what values are given to you, see what is asked, and accordingly you can use a Pythagoras theorem, or you can use the trigonometric ratios and try to solve it. Okay.